how to add custom options on your Shopify product page like a text field, picture upload, and many other options for all the free Shopify themes without using an app and with a simple copy-paste of code. Let's begin. You probably want to show the custom options only on specific products, so we can do that using page templates. Let's create one for our custom products. From your themes list, click on Customize on your current theme, and click at the top of the screen on Home page. Click on Products, and click on Create Template. I'll name my template Custom. Then click on Create Template. Now let's assign the page template to the custom product. Open the product settings and scroll down to the theme template and select the new theme template that you created. Then click on Save. Now let's edit our theme to show our custom option. And before doing that, let's make a copy of the theme in case we make a mistake. So simply click on the ellipsis button on the right and click Duplicate. Now once our theme finished duplicating, click on the Customize button. Now let's open the custom product template. So click on the drop down at the top of the screen, select Products, and click on the custom product template. So we want to add a new block for the product information section on the left here. If you can't see the blocks, simply click on this arrow button here to reveal them. And let's click on Add Block. And click on Custom Liquid. Then click on the Custom Liquid block. Now we need to paste our code for the custom option here. So keep this page open and click on the first link in the description of the video to access the code generator. So let's see how this code generator works. So first we have the field settings where we can set up our field. On the right, we have a preview to test our field. The exact appearance of the field will depend on the theme that you are using. And at the bottom, we have the code that adapts to the settings of the field. Just so you don't get confused, custom options and custom fields actually mean the same thing. Let's first start by selecting the type of field we need. We can choose between many types: short text, long text, file upload, in case you want your customers to upload a picture, and many other fields. So I'll choose a short text, then change the name of my field, and select a character limit, since we generally have a limited space for custom engravings. So you can adapt it to your own needs. And if we test that on the right, while I'm typing, I have a character counter that appears. And finally, we have a checkbox that makes it mandatory to fill out the field before adding the product to the cart. Once I'm done setting up my field, I'll click on the Copy button, and let's get back to the Shopify customizer. Back where we left off, click on the field and press Ctrl V to paste the code from the code generator. Now click on the arrow to go back to the blocks list, and let's scroll down, and we have our field here. Now let's move it above the quantity field, and to do that, simply drag the liquid block where we need it exactly. I would like to add another option. This time I will select the file upload and name it Your Picture, and copy the code. To add the option, it's the same process again. We need to create a new liquid block and click on it and paste the code that we copied. Then go back to the blocks list and drag it where we need it. One last thing before we test our options, we made this text field mandatory, but this feature actually doesn't work when the Buy It Now button is present. So let's disable it for your custom products. To do that, click on the Buy Buttons block and uncheck Show Dynamic Buttons. Now let's save, and let's preview our changes by clicking on this button and clicking Preview. Now let's open the page of your custom product and let's try to add to cart. And as you can see, we have this message that tells us to fill out the field first. Here, as I type my message, we can see that our character counter is still present. So I can also upload a file. So let's take, for example, this picture, and let's add the product to the cart. And we can see here our custom information on the cart page. And if we click on that link, we can download the image. Now let's proceed to the checkout, and our custom information are present on the checkout as well. Now let's order the product and see what they look like on the order page of the admin panel. So I ordered the product, the custom information are present on the order page as you can see. And here again, if you want to download the image, you just need to click on it. And once you're satisfied with the changes, you can publish your theme copy by clicking the Publish button and publish again. You may be wondering if you can charge more for a product when a customer picks a custom option. The only way to do that is by using an app like Bold Options with their premium tier. You can find the link to download the app in the description. Alright, this concludes our video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.